beautiful day today. I'm not sure if you can see what I can see. Of course you can't see because the camera's on me and I'm a poet and I didn't know it. So just thought I'd quickly say hello, see how we're doing, all you guys and girls. What a lovely day today. I'm currently in Luxembourg. It is 8 o'clock in the morning and we are on 14 degrees, so a little bit different from the weather we get back home in the UK, because I've just spoken to my wife and it's 7 degrees. Yeah, 7 degrees. I'm on 14, so I'm double. And I've got my aircon on because it's a bit warm, because it's got the sun beaming down. We love them sort of days. We love this sort of job. Well, I love this job. I love it. I love it, I do. I love it. I'll chat to you later.
We collide, staring at the stars fall. You're fading and I can do nothing. Stay home, the light is gone. Make it bright, we can't fight at night. The sky knows why, we can't get inside. I'm growing scared, the flash is down. My mind knows how to deal with love.
Chaos. Hour and 45, hour and 50 minutes I was in that for. So I've lost pretty much 2 hours on this drive. I need to get good sufficient hours in for break before I can start in the morning. And then moving forward, I've been told of some work that I've got coming up. It's a little bit different, so I'll include that in next week's episode, so stick around for that one. Other than that, I'm gonna let you go. It's not often I've done a lot of talking like this, so I thought I'd at least show my face and say hello. Hello. So yeah, we're gonna crack on, we're gonna get on with it. This is me, Lee, signing off for now. Until later. It's over and out for now, guys. Over and out for now. Alright guys, so we just got pulled into the shed on the tunnel. So we're just coming out of the tunnel now. No point showing it because you can't see anything. But yeah, we can now go. There is a delay, up to 2 hour delay. So that's going to be fun. Yeah, a wonderful 2 hour delay to get on the train. Problem with the line this morning, it's a knock-on effect. It was up to 4.5 hours. Well, the guys just told me